is Rajat Gupta, a proud alumni of Chandigarh University, currently working in Microsoft as an SG2, thanks to the Department of Career Development and Planning. It's great to see that university has been ranked number 1 in the QS employability rankings for the third time in a row, and I believe it's a great achievement. So congratulations to the entire team, and I firmly believe that it will help in grooming so many other careers in the upcoming years, just like mine. So yeah, looking forward.